welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. Panic grips Anantnag as 10 people injured in a grenade attack outside Deputy Commissioner's office in Anantnag district of J&K. Those injured were taken to the hospital. All have been discharged except one person. The area has been cordoned off. The investigation is underway. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina on a 4-day visit to India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Sheikh Hasina hold bilateral, inaugurate 3 bilateral projects, sign 7 agreements on the use of ports, water sharing, education, culture, coastal surveillance between India and Bangladesh. Protests continue as trees being cut at Mumbai's RA forest after the Bombay High Court on Friday dismissed all the petitions opposing tree felling in RA colony in North Mumbai. More than 20 people have been arrested. Section 144 has been imposed. Police have barricaded all the roads leading to the car shed location and no one, including the media, is allowed within a 3-kilometer radius. Over 100 activists were detained this morning. Those arrested will be produced in court. Mumbai Metro Chief Ashwini Bhide hits out at the RA activist claim, says the process of cutting nearly 3,000 trees in RA, which began under the cover of darkness on Friday night, is not illegal. Labeling as false propaganda concerns that a mandatory 15-day notice period between the grant of approval to cut trees and the actual cutting was not met. Shiv Sena leader Aditya Thackeray extends support to activists opposing the cutting of trees at Mumbai's RA colony area. Aditya Thackeray took to Twitter to term the cutting of trees as a shameful and disgusting act which was carried out in the covers of night. He said, "How about posting these officials in POK, giving them a charge to destroy terror camps rather than trees?" After resigning from the party's election committees, former Haryana Congress chief Ashok Tanwar resigns from the primary membership of the party. At loggerheads with the former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, Tanwar had protested outside Congress chief Sonia Gandhi's house in New Delhi over the distribution of tickets for the Haryana Assembly elections. He also dispatched a 2-page letter to Sonia Gandhi listing his grievances and alleging that a section of the party leaders in Haryana attacked him and sabotaged the Congress when he was the state chief. US President Donald Trump says that Democrats have enough votes to impeach him in the House, but he would win a trial in a Republican-led Senate. As Republicans are unified, this as some Republicans publicly broke ranks with him on Friday. At least 2 GOP senators and one former administration official expressed uneasiness with Trump's efforts to encourage foreign governments to investigate former Vice President and 2020 Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.